But if you go back to that discussion we had at the end there with the Microtan on specialized PM, can you explore that a little bit further? That do you see that we have both specialized PM in different industries? In the regulatory, maybe we have in transportation, or you have it in med tech or something. But you also see that we getting more like specialized in the processes, like a product owner, product management are kind of like they form a team and they together create something. Do you see that the role of product owners? Do we get like more product manager, portfolio manager, CPO, product owner, product delivery manager, product operation manager, or how do you see that this is evolving?
So again, great question. All of these existed before as well, right? I mean, we are not going to recoin the word, okay? But what we are looking at is because the technology is changing very rapidly, okay? So for example, at least in North America, you had product managers and you had technical product managers.
Right.
So technical product managers were somewhere combination of little engineering technology skills as well as PM skills, okay? But what we're seeing is that, for example, uh, there are domain specific. When I say domain specific, industry specific, whether it's HR, whether it's procurement, whether it's finance, whether it's healthcare, and so on and so forth. Those always existed. But what we're looking at is PMs which are actually focused on sustainable products, and they understand what sustainability truly means from a consumer and a corporation perspective. And they understand what does it take to co-create eco-friendly and sustainable products. Data is increasing, cybersecurity hacks are increasing. So we're looking at experts who understand network, who understand sensitivity and things like that. So what we're looking at, Magnus, is not a new world. It's just that we are looking for domain-specific product managers who have the core skills of being a product manager, which is, again, the four things which I spoke about: vision, strategy, design, execution. But at the same time, give me that depth. Give me a depth in a particular space or a domain, whether it's cybersecurity, AI, data, e-commerce, healthcare, sustainability, and so on and so forth. And that's the trend which you're looking for. And I can give you an example. In my team, I've got specialized product managers who are looking at a very specific niche product for an industry vertical and things like that. So
yeah. And I think it's also interesting. I remember having a talk with a number of product managers at LinkedIn, and they are like, there's what we see more and more often also is that we have product managers that are for specific products, but also for specific functions.
yes.
In LinkedIn, you have a special product team that is only working with the search. So it's not like a product, it's a function. You have a product team for that, or you have platforms. So you have in API product managers that we have product management I see that that's also being, we can put a product thinking and product methodology on, scope that on different items. If it's industries, products, or whatever it is.
And that's actually being reflected from which I spoke about, theme-based product mapping, okay?
Yeah.
Which is where, for example, when you're creating a new mobile app for food delivery, instead of features which we used to do previously, let's add a payment system, let's create a restaurant list, right? These are changing to, let's look at seamless order experience. And that theme may include features like ease of navigation, quick recording, reordering, streamlined payment processing, and all. Look at personalized user journey, look at reliable delivery network, and so on and so forth. So I think those theme-based product mapping is actually leading to a specialized PM skill and a sort of job hierarchy and things like that.